The village is waking up. I will walk on this pavement. Oh, so many pretty shops here. I see fresh bread inside. The bell rings when I enter. It smells like sweet sugar. That cupcake looks delicious. I am happy with my treat. Uno, retreat. This hydrant is bright red. The shade feels nice and cool. This store sells old things. I like that blue teapot. This is the Center Park. The water sounds peaceful. People throw coins for luck. I will sit for a moment. My face is getting hot. Hello, little beetle. All right, I'm ready. Let's go. That is the village library. Whoa! These steps are tall. Look at all these flowers. The roses have a sweet scent. These tulips are my favorite. I will buy them with cash. This path is very narrow. See the green vines up high. I must be quiet here. I hear distant music. It is an ice cream truck. People throw coins for luck. Vanilla is cold and tasty. That tower is very high. Woo! The clock shows the time. I am crossing a bridge. The stream flows under me. I have a small crumb, a snack for the fish. The swings are empty today. I feel like a child again. Those clouds are fluffy. My dress is wrinkled now. Ooh, help! We mail letters here. That is the prettiest dress I have ever seen. It looks just like something a princess would wear. View my reflection. I forgot. What is that pleasant sound? That is good music. That is good music. The village ends here. The wind blows my hair. I must go back now. The sun is getting lower. Pray. I will hurry a little. Look at all this fruit. They have the best selection here, and I think I'll get some apples and maybe those bananas. The school is closed today. Someone rode a bike here. My feet feel tired. This wall is a hard seat. I take off my shoe. I am ready to walk again.
My car is near now.
The sunset is beautiful. The shadows are long. I found my keys. The seat is soft. Safety belt clicks on. Goodbye, lovely village.